Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the price increase that Tesla just put in place for the Model Y long range. It's not a lot. It's $500, but it has a great effect on how it will affect your tax credit. So let's get into it. Let's go to the Model Y. As you can see right here, it still states right here that you're going to be able to receive the $7,500 federal tax credit. And if you guys want to know more details on how you guys are going to be receiving the tax credit, you just click on the see details, and it's going to explain everything to you in detail, and like where you have to file it in 2024, and there's all bunch of criteria, how much you're making, and you're filing separately or jointly. All kind of stuff right there. Okay, well, we're not gonna go over that in this video. I'm just showing you like with the recent $500 increase. So before it was $500 cheaper, so you can add pretty much like any colors you want, right? And it doesn't affect the incentive or the tax credit. But and we know that the Model Y performance already off the back, it doesn't qualify. So but let's go down. So if you click on the white color, midnight silver, blue, and black, I think these colors, just those upgrades, or just anything under the 2,000 will qualify you for the tax credit. So we can go all the way down. You know what? As a matter of fact, it doesn't. So even with the black color, it doesn't. Oh, actually, it does. It does right here. So you can see it right here. It does says here before it checks out. It says that you will qualify, right? But let's say that if you're like me, you want a red color. Click on red, and then just the standard all-wheel drive, long range, nothing else, and you go all the way to the bottom, and where you're going to be checking out. It's gone. You no longer qualify for the $7,500 because you went over the $55,000 limit. That's kind of sucks, right? So that means, so instead of you wanting the red color, you go with the white color, but on the other hand, you want a bigger wheel, which has $2,000. Again, that puts you over $55,000 limit. And you go all the way down, you can see it's gone, no longer there. So it gives you a very limited item of upgrades that you can get. You can get the tow hook package, or you can just get the basic color, no upgraded wheels. Just go with either the included color, which is white, or this, any other colors besides the red and the wheel. Okay? Otherwise, it would not allow you to receive the credit. So, if you are in the market and if you want to, I don't know if you noticed, but be on the lookout and make adjustment to it so that way you will qualify for the tax credit. Okay? Because I know a lot of people that like red colors or they want to upgrade the wheel, but now once you do that, you're out of luck. Unless you want to take a step up and go with the 7-seaters. This one is going to bump you up the to, instead of $55,000 limit, it's $80,000. Okay, so now you can add whatever you want to add. You want to add the wheels, red colors, whatever, and then it's still not going to be like it will be under 80,000. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. So I want to give you guys a quick update on it. So I'm not sure if you guys are aware of it, but thank you for watching. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you guys love the channel, please subscribe. It's going to help me a ton. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.